So what is index notation or index form or exponential form? It is a shortcut for writing the repeated multiplications. So it is a shortcut method to write the repeated multiplication, like for example 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So 4 times 3 can be multiplied and it can be written as 3 raised to power 4. And what is 3 raised to power 4? What is 3 here? 3 is the base. Raised to power 4, 4 is the index, or it is called exponent, or it is called power, or it is called an order. When we expand it 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, it is called its expansion, and what we get after multiplying it, that is called its value. So this is base, this is index or power or exponent or order, and this is their expansion, and this is the final value after multiplication. So there are some exponent rules. First is x raised to power m into x raised to power n. If we have both the bases same and powers are different, and in between we have multiplied sign, then powers will be added. And if we have x raised to power m raised to power n, then powers will be multiplied, like m into n. For negative power, we have to take the reciprocal to make it positive. If in division we have both two numbers, x raised to power m and x raised to power n, and whole power is p, then whole power will be multiplied to numerator and denominator also. It will become x raised to power mp, x raised to power np. Next is x raised to power m into y raised to power n raised to power p. Now it is in multiplication, so p will be multiplied to both the powers, x raised to power mp and y raised to power np. Similarly, if we have division, in division two bases are same, powers are different, then powers will be subtracted. If we have two different bases and powers are same, then we can write it like x into y whole raised to power m. And any number raised to power 0, that will be equal to 1. Whether it can be 1000 raised to power 0, it will also be 1. Minus 1 raised to power an even number. For that we will having the value as positive 1, and minus 1 raised to power odd number, then we will be having its value as negative, that is minus 1. Let us discuss the worksheet for exponent and powers. So first is express in simplest form, minus 5 by 4 raised to power 4. So how to express it in the simplest form? So minus 5 by 4 should be expanded 4 times. Now see negative. The negative is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times it is negative, so its value will become positive. Now 5 into 5, 25. 25 5s are 125. 125 5s are 625. 4 4s are 16. 16 4s are 60. And 64 4s are 256. So it will be its answer, the simplest form. Next is express in the exponential form. अब इसका उल्टा करना है, exponents में लिखना है हमें, parts में लिखना है. So 8 can be written as, first of all you can find out its LCM. 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. Similarly for 27 you have to do it different. Okay, एक में ही नहीं करोगे. 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. So it can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 divided by 3 into 3 into 3, or 2 by 3 raised to power 3. So this is the exponential form. Next is compare. Now we have to compare 3 raised to power 7 and 7 raised to power. So we will write it down as 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 times we will multiply. 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27, 3s are 81, 81, 3s are 243, 243, 3s are 729, 729, 3s are 2187. This is the value of 3 raised to power 7. Now we will find out the value of 7 raised to power 3. 7 into 7 into 7. 7 7s are 49, 49 7s are 343. Now you can compare which is bigger one. 2187 is greater than 343. So 3 raised to power 7 is greater than 7 raised to power 3. Next is, if P is minus 2 and Q is 4, then what will be the value of P raised to power 6 and Q square? So first of all, we will find out P raised to power 6. So P raised to power 6 will be minus 2 raised to power 6. So minus 1 raised to power 6 into 2 raised to power 6. And negative raised to power even number, that will be positive. So 2 raised to power 6, 2 will be multiplied 6 times. 2 into 2, 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, and 32 2s are 64 here. Next we have to find out Q square. Q is 4 here, so 4 square, that is 16. So now we will multiply it, P square, P raised to power 6 and Q square. It will come out to be 64 into 16. So it comes out to be 1024. Next is simplify by using the laws of exponents. अब इसमें laws of exponents use करने हैं. So first of all, minus 5 square. So it can be written as minus 1 square and 5 square. Multiply by 3 raised to power minus 3 into 7 square divided by 25 can be written as 5 square. 9 can be written as 3 square. अब इसकी भी पावर है तो इसको यहाँ पे लगा देंगे into 5 raised to power 3. Now we will cancel out these two terms by using the law, or direct we can use the law as minus 1 square. It will become positive. Now 5 raised to power. See, 5 raised to power here is 2, and in denominator we have 2 and 3. So it can be written as minus 2 minus 3 by using the law. We have used the law here, x raised to power m upon x raised to power n is equal to x raised to power m minus n. This one that we have used here, multiplied by. Now 3 raised to power minus 3 into 7 square divided by, now 3 square raised to power again. Now we know the law, x raised to power m raised to power n, that can be written as x raised to power m n. So this way it can be written as 3 raised to power 4. Now solve it. 2 minus 2, it will become 0. Then 5 raised to power minus 3 into, now here we will again apply minus 3 minus 4 into 7 square, or it can be written as, now we can do take positive parts, so it will become 1 by 5 cube multiply 1 by 3 raised to power 4 and 3, it will become 7 into 7 square. So you can leave your answer here also, or you can solve it out. So it will become 7 square divided by 5 cube into 3 raised to power 7. So this way you can solve it out. Next is 5a square b square whole cube. So what you have to do, you have to just put this cube to all these values, 5 cube into a square cube into b square cube. So it will become 5 cube, 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125 into 3 2s are 6 into b raised to power 6. So this will be your answer. You can write it like 125 a raised to power 6 b raised to power 6. Next question is express in positive exponents. We have to do solve it as positive exponents. So first of all, how we can write it like, we know x raised to power minus m is equal to 1 by x raised to power m. So it can be written as 1 by x square into 1 by y raised to power 4 into 1 by z raised to power 3 into x, y, z was already. Now we have to just add the powers. It will become, here is 2, here is 1. So it will become x cube. Here is 4, here is 1. It will become 5 Here is 3, here is 1, here it will become z raised to power 4. So it can be written as 1 by x cube y5 z4. I hope you understand it. Thank you so much.